Hi guys, in the last video we finalized our product list. So today we have to publish them to our Shopify store because we are using two apps, ShineOn and Printify. So I'm showing you the complete process how to import products from Printify and ShineOn as well. So let's start with the ShineOn. So already opened the product we finalized in the last video. So open the product and after opening the product, take a screenshot of all the necessary details. So I'm taking the screenshots. We also have to capture the description, file details, and shipping details. So after taking the screenshots, open Cloud or any AI chatbot and upload the screenshots. With this simple prompt. So I'll add this prompt in the description. So you can also copy paste. I'm just copy and paste it. So from the results, it checked everything for me like shipping, file type and size, font, and it chose the word that matched my brand vibe. So I just logged this word as my hero text. Okay. So for the design purpose, I'll choose Canva. So open the Canva, select the size, create, select the custom size, and then create a new design. Because it's the only text only field, so I don't need to design the any complex image. So we just have to type our text. So in the text field, type the text and choose the font. So I'm choosing this one. Then download. I'm selecting the file type SVG and transparent background. Download. Then upload this image. Click on create your product. Select file and upload that image. So I'm just giving this title and then publish. So that's it. Do the same with all the other products. So let's move to Printify. As same we done before Shine On, I just open the product we already selected. Again, take screenshot of all the necessary details, provider details, and description and size guidance as well. Again, open the new chat, upload all the screenshots, with the same prompt, just change Printify here. So I'm just, instead of shine on, write Printify. Enter. So again, it checked like shipping, file type and size, font, and the word. So for the designing purpose, again, I just open the Canva, select the size, type the word, select the font, and download. Now upload this design to Printify, start designing, upload, and we have to enable personalization image option and then save product and publish. So you can add all the other products with the same process. So that's it for today. Products are published from both apps. Tomorrow we'll finalize our product pictures because right now it looks like basic POD product photos. I want them to show the brand vibe. So if you're following the series, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next steps. See you in the next video.